Hello everyone, back to your channel. In today's video, we are going to solve an equation that is x plus 1 whole by 1 plus x equals to 2. Actually, this is not a math equation, it's just for fun. So let's solve it. Our solution. It's only for fun. Our question is x plus 1 upon 1 plus x is equals to 2. We'll cross multiply. This becomes x plus 1 is equals to 2 plus 2x. Now, we'll take this one at this side. So this becomes 2 plus 2x minus 1. That is x is equals to 1 plus 2x. Clear? Now we'll square both sides. That is x square 1 plus 2 whole square. Next step, x square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this becomes x square 1 plus 4x plus 4x square. Now we will take this x square this side. So this becomes 4x square plus 4x plus 1, and this minus x square is equals to 0. So this becomes 3x square plus 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now this is in the form of factorization method, which means 3x square plus 3x plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now from this 3 is common, 3x is common. So 3x, x plus 1 plus 1, x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now we are x plus 1 and x plus 1 is common. So we'll take x plus 1 equal 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now we have two equations, that is x plus 1 is equals to 0 and 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. From this, x is equals to minus 1, our first equation, and from this 3x and this one will go that side, so it becomes minus 1. X is equals to minus 1 upon 3. So we got two values of x. So our equation was x plus 1 upon 1 plus x is equals to 2. First we will check for minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is equals to 2. This 0 is not equals to 2 in this case. Now for this case, x plus 1 plus x is equals to 2 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1. 1 minus 1 upon 3 is equals to 2. You have to check. This we will get 2 upon 3 upon, and this 2 upon 3. Now from this we will get 1 is not equals to 2. So in this there is no solution. This equation has no solution. This was only for fun. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget the steps. See you in the next video. Bye bye.